Hello, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to plant Opuntia cactus on a pot or on the soil. Most people plant them like this, but this way they absorb too much moisture. Best way is to plant them like this and place a little rock or something to hold it in place. This way it gives it better balance, and you're going to have growth from the sides and the back, so it's going to grow into a bigger plant. If you plant like this, it's gonna fall or tilt, and it's not gonna have good it's not gonna settle right. So you're gonna have growth here, and it's gonna get larger and larger, and you're gonna have a more stable plant. This way you can plant it in pots, and then you can also plant it in on the ground like this. Same technique, just place the rock, and then you'll have a very stable plant. This I learned from my dad. He does plant a lot of cactus, Opuntia cactus like this. And 2 to 3 weeks after planting, you're gonna see it bend up like this. The good thing about it is that the cut is in the air, so it doesn't rot because it's in the air, it's not underground. And then it starts growing new pads on the sides, so you get a more stable plant. Suppose the other technique, you can see it tilts a little bit, and right now in a few minutes I'm gonna show you one that's tilting more. I have it over here. Let's see. Yeah, this one right here, as you can see, it's tilted pretty much all the way. I had to plant it this way because it's so large, so I couldn't plant it horizontally. But look, they tilt and it's not too stable. So the other technique I like best, and I'm gonna show you some that I planted with the other technique. So you can see here it is. It's just a small part of the pad that I planted with the rock. And look, it has growth already, so even small cuttings of the pad you can root. And here, this one didn't even need a rock, so that's the technique I like the most, because you have almost 100% success rate and plants grow more stable. This technique does not work for commercial planting, so this is basically for home gardens, not for commercial, because for commercial planting it wouldn't work because it requires more space. The plants grow larger this way. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos like this of plants in the garden. Thank you for watching.